Dear students, hope you all great. Today we are going to talk about cell structure and function. Cell structure and function. What are the characteristics of eukaryote cell? We have two types of cell, prokaryote and eukaryote. Prokaryote like the cell of bacteria, while eukaryote like human, animals, and plant cell. Eukaryote cells differ from each other depending on their structure and function. So, eukaryote cells differ from each other depending on their structure and function. So, what's meant by structure? Structure is the arrangement of parts, while function is the activity the parts carry out. For example, nucleus present in the center of the cell, so it's a structure, arrangements of organelles. This is structure, while the function of nucleus or the importance of nucleus is the function. The activity the nucleus can do is the function. So function is the activity the parts carry out. For example, plant cells and animal cells have a different parts that have a different function for the organism. This is what makes plants and animals so different from each other. In plant cell have different organelles than animal cell, so each cell have a different parts and also have a different function. All eukaryote cells have a nucleus, membrane bound organs, and parts that protect and support the cell. So all eukaryote cell, whatever plant cell and animal cell, both have nucleus, organelles, and parts that protect, like a cell wall or a cell membrane, and support the cell. The cell membrane, this outer layer, cell membrane, this one, the blue one, protects the cell. It present in both animal cell and also plant cell. It is an organ. Protect the cell and regulate what enter and leave the cell. So the function of the cell membrane, this one, is to regulate what gets enter the cell and what gets out. The cytoplasm is another organelle, fluid inside the cell, fluid. In the region between the cell membrane, this cell membrane and the nucleus, this called the nucleus, the oval organelle is the nucleus. So the fluid that present between the cell membrane and the nucleus called cytoplasm, that includes fluids and all of organelles. Throughout the cytoplasm, inside the cytoplasm of eukaryote cell, there is a cytoskeleton, like this one, like the green one, this, like a skeleton, called cytoskeleton, or a network of protein filaments, this form of protein. What is the function of the cytoskeleton? That give shape and support to the cell. So the function of the cytoskeleton, or the green one here inside the cytoplasm, to give shape to the cell and support the cell. The cytoskeleton also help in cell division. I said it before that the cell is divided into two. So cytoskeleton help in cell division and in movement. It may help parts within the cell to move. inside the cell there is an organ. Cytoskeletons help these organelles to move inside the cell to perform its function. So cytoskeleton is structure inside the cell. The activity of the cytoskeleton that gives the shape and support to the cell is called a function. Look, this green one is a cytoskeleton inside the cytoplasm. This is structure present inside the cell. It's a protein filament. Cytoskeleton made of protein called protein filament. This structure, the function or the activity of the cytoskeleton that support the cell, this cell support the cell, the green filament, the green color, this one. Cytoskeleton give the shape to the cell, and also support the cell. This is called function. That's it. Thanks for watching.